We'll try and bring you some of the best, finest and rarest pieces of antique English bone china, and here's an example of just such a gorgeous piece of Redfern and Drakeford, dating from around 1880 through to around 1907, we think, on these china marks. That's the date range for this piece. Pattern 2180, a open bowl, not particularly curved bowl or deep bowl design on the teacup, but it's the very stylized decoration on this in those floral garlands with alternating pink and yellow rosebuds, and then the droop garlands with the blue little hand, all hand coloured, burnished gilt, detailed moulding, lovely indent scalloping on the rims, and then this arched Gothic style handle with a single burr knob on it. 2180 simple decorator's mark on the teacup. Note the rotating ribbing on the undersurface before the cup moulds up, and then, you know, they haven't just patterned the outside. Look at the detailing on the inside, all again hand coloured, beautiful workmanship. And again, the little saucer plate for it, gorgeously decorated, burnished gilt around the outer aspects with those pink and yellow rosebuds, and the garlands again with a little bit of moulding just on the lift coming out, not from the saucer well but on the outer rim. And then a beautiful recumbent or erect Redfern and Drakeford line with 2180 again with the pattern decorators marks. Gorgeous piece of antique English china history in superb antique condition for collectors. Really rare piece, difficult to find, and in this condition it's really quite unusual, and a beautiful piece for somebody wanting something that nobody else in the world probably has. It's that rare to find this pattern 2180. Not seen it in 25 years of collecting. Probably won't see another piece. Or I might find a complete tea service next week. You never know with these old pieces. People ask us, can you find this? Can you get that? And the honest answer is no, they're not sitting in a warehouse anywhere that you can go out and order these pieces or have them made or find them. And there's no facility for sort of going out there and putting it out onto the internet currently when you're searching for specific patterns, and they're so rarely nicely identified like this with either a manufacturer's mark or the decorator's pattern reference. So incredibly difficult to source such lovely pieces of antique porcelain history. Thanks for watching.